biology. In the tissue, so far we have studied the types of plant tissue and we were on types of animal tissue, and in the types of animal tissue we were studying types of muscular tissue, and our today's topic is smooth muscles. Smooth muscles, or you can say smooth, non-striated, unstriped or involuntary muscles. Why are they known as so? Smooth. They are smooth because we can see their shape is, you can say, long, elongated, spindle-like and smooth. They do not have any kind of dark or light bands, right? They are smooth, hence they are known as smooth muscles, right? Next, non-striated. Non-striated, since there was striation in striated muscles, they were known as striated muscles. Hence, there are no striation in smooth muscles. There are no light and dark bands. That's why they are known as non-striated, or you can say unstriped, because there is no type of any kind of band. Hence, you can say there is no strip, so unstripped muscles, right? Now, the term left is involuntary. Why they are known as involuntary muscles? Yeah, what is involuntary? Do you know? Involuntary, you can say these are the actions which are not under our control. The action which we cannot control by our own. Right? These are the actions which are not according to our will. So, these are the involuntary action. Like you can say, blood flows in the vessels. Can you stop that flow? No, it flows automatically, right? It flows on their own. But we cannot control that flow. So, that action is involuntary. So, hence they are, you can say, involuntary muscles. Okay, so first point we can study is lack striation. They do not have striation, hence known as non-striated or unstripped muscles, right? Lack striation. What is next? Not under our control, and hence involuntary muscles. These are found, you can say, in the wall of visceral organs. Found in wall of visceral organs, hence known as visceral muscles also. Visceral organs, like which are, you can say, deep inside our body. These organs, you can say, are present deep inside our body, like we can say blood vessels, alimentary canal, urinary bladder, right? So these actions, or you can say these organs function on their own. So these muscles are present in these type of organs. As I told you earlier only, their shape is spindle shape. Like here you can see they are, you can say, thin. They are thin from the ends and thick from the middle portion. So that's why they are spindle shape. Got it? Next, their nucleus. Nucleus is uni. Uni means single, uninucleated. Hence they are uninucleated. There is only a single nucleus which is present in the center. Which is present in the center, you can see. It is, you can say, located in the center. Position is central and it is uninucleated. Unlike striated muscles, they were multinucleated and their nucleus was present at the side of periphery. But the difference here is its nucleus is in the center and it is uninucleated. Occurs either as sheets or spinchers. Spinchers, like you can say, in the urinary bladder, it forms the spinchers or opening, you can say, and or occur in the form of sheet like this, right? So these occurs in the form of sheets or spinchers. Now, where are these muscles located? Yeah. What we have studied, with that we get to know that these muscles are located in the wall of hollow tubular visceral organs, like you can say alimentary canal, right? Urinary bladder, blood vessels, etc., etc. Right? Next, their structure. How their structure is. Their structure, if we are talking about their structure, these are non-striated, since there are no band present, non-striated, long or elongated you can say. These are thin and spindle-like, with pointed end. Here its end you can say these are pointed, or you can see here it's a single muscle, its end is pointed you can see, right? It has a pointed end and thick from middle side, middle portion. So these are spindle shaped with pointed ends, right? They lack sarcolemma, lack sarcolemma. Sarcolemma, what was sarcolemma? The plasma membrane, right? Plasma membrane that was found in striated muscles. So they do not have sarcolemma. Got it? Now we have to study their function. What actually their function is, right? Their function is, you can see, contraction or relaxation. Contract slowly and rhythmically. They do not contract very fast or powerfully. So they contract slowly and rhythmically, unlike you can say striated muscles. So here contraction is slow and rhythmic. Rhythmic, why we can say the blood flow. We can take an example of blood flow in our blood vessels. It's the rhythmic movement, right? So it is rhythmic and slowly movement. Next, can remain contracted for long. They can remain contracted for long, unlike you can say striated muscles. They could not remain contracted for long, but they can remain contracted for long. Next, produce peristaltic movement, or you can say helps in contraction and helps in movement of the food. Like when we engulf the food into our alimentary canal, you can see, so that food you can say goes on their own into our stomach and then intestine. That movement of the food from, you can say, food pipe, or you can say food pipe, then stomach, then intestine, or in alimentary canal, is known as peristaltic movement. So it helps in peristaltic movement of alimentary canal. Next, forms sphincter like opening of, you can say opening of blood vessels, or you can say opening of urinary bladder, right? That is here the smooth muscles are present and forms the sphincter, right? Next, it controls the muscles of iris or ciliary body in our eyes. What is the function of iris? You can see the color of eye. Our color of eye depends on, you can say, iris of our eye, right? It is the iris only. Now, what is the function of iris? The function of iris is to control the intensity of light entering into the eyes. We can see when we are in sunlight, our pupil becomes very small, right? Contracted and small. And iris, what happened? Iris covers that part and controls the entry of light, right? The color, you can see the brown color, black color, green color, blue color of iris is due to iris only. And when we go to a dark place, what happens? That our pupil dilate, because in dark place light intensity is very low and we need to view the things. So due to that, the pupil got dilated and iris muscles goes back and they allow the entering of light. They allow the entering of light. So this is an involuntary action in which these muscles are involved. And the similar way, ciliary body of eye. Ciliary body of eye. What are ciliary body? These are the muscles, ciliary muscles, which controls the movement of eyelids. Yeah, they help in, you can say, making the eyelids thick or thin, due to which we can view nearby object or far away object. So they make the eyelids thick or thin. They change the focal length of the eyelids, and it is also an involuntary action, right? So hence they are present in the ciliary body of eye. Next is contraction and relaxation of blood vessels. Blood vessels, in the blood vessels, the blood flows through, you can say, blood vessels only, and it is involuntary. So how the blood flows? It is all due to smooth muscles. They contract and relax and allow the blood flow to move from one vessel to another and to the all body parts. So in this way they help in contraction and relaxation and movement of blood. Their shape we can say here, it is spindle shape, as I told you, it is spindle in shape and uninucleated. The nucleus is at the center, and here in the myofibrils, here are the myofibrils. These are the myofibrils present in the smooth muscles, right? It is the nucleus which is centrally located, and it is sarcoplasm. What is it? You can say the cytoplasm of the muscles is known as sarcoplasm. Got it? Here, these muscles are formed in the form of sheets or spincher. I think all this is clear to you. Okay, we'll study in next class about the cardiac muscles. Thank you.